Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here and welcome back if you've been here a while. Today I have for you Allure Beauty Box. So per my usual, I don't know how much this costs. I will put it on the screen. This should be June's box. We'll see when we get into it. Hopefully it has the month on it. It is late, but we'll see. Also real quick, linked down below, I do have a giveaway that is in the works, so don't forget to check out that video, follow the rules, blah, 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 blah. I'm excited for the 1K giveaway. So let's get into Allure. So I open it up and this is what I see. Now, this is my first box ever. I've gone back and forth for, I don't know, years to get this box. You know, sometimes I'm like, I don't think so. And then other times, other months, I'm just like, oh, maybe. And so I finally made the leap. It says Allure Beauty Box, exclusive promo codes inside. And it comes with this little pamphlet. Oh, and it looks like it tells me the products in here, so I will just kind of hold on to that. We have a $20 gift card to Babble Bar, and the gift code is right there on the back. If you want to use it, go for it. It just says Allure IH3I1. So if you're the first to use that, go for it. It's a $20 gift. I won't use it. And then I pull this out, and it is a green bag, and it's stuffed pretty full, so that's cool. Bandier, exclusively curated collection of more than 80 of the top brands in fitness, fashion, and footwear. Enjoy 15% off with the code SUMMERGLOW15. And I will not use that either, so you can use it if you would like. There's lots of codes. Luxury bedding without the luxury price. Get your beauty sleep has never been so easy. At brooklinen.com, use the code Allure15. Negative, uncomplicated, considerate, minimal. This is underwear you'll love to wear that makes you feel good in your skin. At negativeunderwear.com, use the code SUMMERLOVE to enjoy 15% off, so go for that. And then on the back here, solid and striped, timeless swimwear. Oh, well, I may use that. I need a new bathing suit. So, okay, so there is that. And this is packed. So, Allure is makeup, and it's a makeup and beauty box. And so, and this, it had extra. So it's the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray by CGX NYC. And let's see if this has a price. Oh, it does. Well, it doesn't. Let's see. It is on the back here, but there is no price, so maybe it was just an extra item. I honestly don't remember seeing these bags so packed. Like, that is packed. I'll have to go back and watch other people's videos because it has been a while since I've seen a video, but this just seems extra to me. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out here is Moroccan oil. The Moroccan oil treatment. So it is a deluxe size sample of hair treatment. And that smells good. Is this what I'm smelling? I'm smelling something. That smells good. Now, I've gotten this before. Sephora Play, maybe, back in the day when I had Sephora Play. Maybe Ipsy. I don't know, it's been a while. So the full size of that retails for $44. And then the next thing I am pulling out here is Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. That seems like that might be a full-size product. It's as large as my hand, or almost as large as my hand. Let's see. So this is $35. This retails for $35. And it has a promo code. It's just, it's an eye cream, but that seems like a full size. I mean, to me, that would seem like a full size just because it's so large and it's an eye product. So that's kind of cool. Since I made a mess, I will go ahead and put it on my face just so I don't get it all over the place. Okay. The next thing I am pulling out here is Floss. My new favorite lip gloss, Floss. And this also seems like a full-sized item, which is interesting. I didn't think Allure, that is a pretty large sized lip gloss. So let's see. This retails for $16. And someone had actually commented on one of my videos, on the giveaway video actually. She said that she would like to try this. So I don't know, I'm kind of curious, but I don't know. Maybe I'll just put it in the giveaway. So I won't open it right now. The next thing I am pulling out, wow, I think that this is full size too. CEO Glow Vitamin C Turmeric Facial Oil by Sunday Riley. That is a good product. That has got to be a full size item. That is amazing. I am so glad I got this box. It's never impressed me like this. Just by looking at it online, it has never impressed me like this. And that is not even in here. No, that's not in this book. So that must have been an extra item, but that is freaking awesome. I really like Sunday Riley products, and they're expensive too. Like, good on Allure. That is an expensive product. The next thing I am pulling out is Avene Thermal Spring Water. Just a facial spray, and I do not believe that this is full size. I think maybe this is a travel size or a deluxe size. And it says, this hydrating facial mist will be in my purse from now until Labor Day. I take it everywhere. Okay, so it retails for $18.50. Maybe this is a full size. Okay, so the pictures are pictures of the stuff that is actually, like, this picture is this, but I don't think that this retails for $18, and I don't think that this little tiny thing retails for $44. So I can only assume that I mean, that might be full size. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look that up because I really don't know. And then the next thing I am pulling out has to be full size too. The Brow Gal, and that retails for, it's an eyebrow pencil, and it retails for $23. So here it is, and it has a pencil sharpener here, and then on this end it has a spoolie. I'm just in shock over this. So that will go in a giveaway. That is too dark for me. Yeah, I mean, that's more of a dark brown. I usually use blonde, so that it's a medium brown, and I usually use blonde on my brows. The gel that I use, the Brow Gel Gel that I absolutely love, just for like a daytime wear, that is a medium brown or a light brown. I think it's a light brown, but that is just too dark. So that will definitely go in a giveaway. I am really actually impressed with this box. I am super shocked. So we got a full-sized brow pencil. We got a full-size facial serum from Sunday Riley, which is not in this, but Sunday Riley products are expensive. Anywhere from $65 to $8,500. Like, it's a good product. I'm assuming this is a travel-sized hairspray, travel-size hair oil, a full-size lip gloss, a full-size eye serum. At least I feel like that's a full size. And then maybe a full size, maybe a travel size, not entirely sure. But this is, wow. I just can't get over how much I am actually digging this. I have never seen such a good back before. I am digging it. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm super happy with it. Have a great day. Bye.